Hello everyone, my name is Alex and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. Today I'm here to let you know about our new 1080p flash drive body-worn camera, which has no visible buttons or camera. But first, please remember to give a thumbs up if you like the content that we're bringing, and give that subscribe button a little tappy if you want to be notified for new videos on the latest spy gear. If you'd like to purchase this product, you may find a link to the listing on our web store in the description below. And if you would like to follow us on Facebook and Twitter, click that Show More button and find our links down here. It's very exciting when we get a new device to test out, and this one was very quickly chosen to be our next device to carry. Unlike most devices, this handy unit has on the body no visible buttons, and the high-definition 1080p camera itself is also very nearly completely invisible behind this plastic cover. This 1080p flash drive camera also has built-in 32 gigabytes worth of memory storage, so there is also no external SD card slot to be found. You'd have nearly 100 minutes of battery with which to record with a full battery, which can be quite enough to record certain exchanges between management or during confrontations with your current or ex-partners or even child custody exchanges. While I wouldn't really say you could use this device in all sorts of situations, there are many ways in which you could. For instance, in the package comes a lanyard, and this can be used to affix the device to your keychain so that you could potentially be stopped talking with someone out in a parking lot or walking to your car while holding this camera in your hand with your keys. Another possible use would be to toss your keys into a bowl or onto a countertop and then go back to angle it how you'll need to get the target in frame. Practice angling the camera in front of a mirror, and you'll quickly learn how to angle it to where you need in order to capture whomever or whatever you're attempting to record. Once you're done recording, you can easily pop this device into a standard USB port on your Windows or Mac computer to start charging the battery and to manage your recorded files. You are even able to timestamp future recordings with a simple text document. There are some special steps involved with Mac computers to set up the date and time, and some more steps in order to delete recordings. Please keep in mind, not all Mac computers have the necessary standard USB port. So if your computer only has USB-C connections, you'll need to get an adapter. Take a look at the following demonstration footage to see how this high-definition camera would operate. We'll go through how to turn the device on, and then the video you're seeing and the audio you'll start hearing from that point until the end of the demonstration would all be audio and video recorded right from the flash drive camera itself. Okay. Here we are at the time setup for the flash drive body-worn camera. I've already gone ahead and plugged it into my Windows computer, and see there's a time file right there that I double-clicked. Then you just need to adjust the time as it shows. Year, month, day. It's 11 in the morning. However, if it was 11 at night, you would need to put it as 23, as it is 24-hour format. So, hour, minute, second. And if you wish to have the date and time shown on the video itself, you would keep this a Y. If you do not want that date and time shown on the video, put an N. Then we save and exit out. Then you'd be able to make a recording and double check that the time has taken on your new video recordings. And now what you would need to do that is different on a Mac computer, you would need to go into a text edit document in order to adjust the date and time rather than just a text or notepad file. And then within the preferences for the text edit, you'll set it to plain text and be sure that wrap to page is disabled. Beyond that, everything else is the same. You just hit file and save, and when you're done, go ahead, pull it out of the computer and make a new recording to double check that the date and time has been set.
Okay folks, here we are at the unboxing for the 1080p flash drive body-worn camera. First you'll see the white cloth to help it keep nice and clean. Then the device underneath with the lanyard. We'll get to that in a second. Here is the protective insert and the directions written by the folks here at SpyCentre with a handy-dandy diagram to show you where the buttonless sensor is, along with the invisible camera, and where the recording indicator and the touch sensor indicator is as well. So then onto the device itself. The buttonless sensor is right here. Camera located here. The touch sensor light will show up there, and the recording indicator light will show up here. The touch sensor light will only show while I am touching it, and the recording light will show while it is recording. But don't worry, it is a very, very dim light. So I'll turn it on by holding down here for a moment. Blue light will show, and then it will start flashing green to say that it is now recording. Then what I can also do is tap it once. It lit up. Now it's showing a solid blue, and it is in standby mode. I can tap it once more to make it start flashing green again, and it is now recording once more. I can, from standby or recording, then hold my finger down on the touch sensor. The light turns blue and starts flashing, and then we'll say, well, it is turned off. Okay, that is how this device operates. Let's head out to the front so we can do our demonstration.
The following presentation is for demonstration purposes only and is not a recommendation or advice on how to use the product. SpyCentre is not responsible for any illegal or inappropriate usage of our products. SpyCentre encourages you to check your local, state, and country laws prior to usage. Alright, let's head out to the front room to mess with the new trainee, Jacob. There's Austin fixing up a new desk for us. There's a Dominic doing some tech support. Hey there, Jacob.
Hey, what's going on?
Not too much. Could you tell me the battery life of this 1080p flash drive camera?
Yeah, certainly can. Let me look at the website here. I don't remember off the top of my head. Let me go to our hidden body-worn cameras. Go down here to features. Looks like you're going to get a rechargeable 100-minute battery life.
All right. How about the storage capacity?
Storage capacity, it's got an internal 32 gigabyte memory and stores about 5.5 hours of 1080p video and audio.
All right. Thank you very much, Jacob.
You're very welcome. We'll see you.
Great, so that was our demonstration of how the 1080p flash drive body-worn camera will operate, and how the recorded video would look and how the audio would sound. We do monitor the comment sections of our videos, so if you have a question about this product or anything else, please post it down below and we will get back to you. If you've enjoyed the content we're bringing, please leave a like, and be sure to annihilate that subscribe button for future reviews and tutorials.